Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a development based company Lego. This is very basic and a new design. So I think come if you wanted to promote a company or your business, just you see how to design such kinds of logo. Cinema attack. Let's begin today. So what we're in it today, I need to first select all the things and put a bit smaller over here like that. Okay, I'm keeping here to look better. So what we need to do, I need to go to the over here and see this polygon tool and drag over here by pressing Shift and Alt key together. Then I think it will be more better. So go to the edit, copy, and go to the edit and front. Okay, so where we need to, I need to just sketch the key and Alt key together. Just a little bit like that. Okay, I think it's better. So a little bit, maybe like that. I think it's okay. So I need this here, and I think I need to go again over here, over here. I think no, I need to just select all the things, go to the over here, and I think just delete things. And now I should go over here, just there, over here, and it's just a little bit at an angle. Think it's okay. So a little bit of click there. Yeah, okay. It's okay. Thing. And again over here, this down over here thing upper side. Yeah, sorry. So like that. Okay. All together select and go to the object tunnel and go to the shape builder tool by pressing Alt key. Delete there. Okay. Okay. Now it and select this one. The reflect and enter. Happy. Okay. So what we need to do, I need to just go to the change the color for which color. I think it's okay. So it's good. And it's just typing now. I need the typing there. But I need the masses. Okay, this comes a little bit here, just right here. Build up on there. I think here, there. So another thing is I need and just to write type something. I think I just develop and money. So I need to just change the type to Franklin heavy. Yeah. So it's smaller. Gotta be position. That I think it's okay. Same to same. No difference between the two. There is I select there will be bigger. Yeah. This will very easy. Design. A little bit smaller. Like this. Okay. Like that. Okay, it's okay. It's fine. Okay, so this a very simple and very colorful. So guys, that's all. Thanks for